I was very hesitant. Like, I was against bot trading completely. I just never thought you could literally just set something up that could make you money. Like, it just, to me, I gotta grind every day. I gotta stare at the 1 minute chart. You know, I gotta work. And so that was just this concept that a bot could just, and I thought there was two worlds and I couldn't be in both. And that's, again, false pretenses on my part. Always stay open-minded, everyone. You never know.
Eventually we just said, look man, let's just set it up for you and just let it go. You know, like, we don't have to make a deal, we don't have to do anything. I just want to see it run for you. And you're really open to that. And we've been working on it for a few years. By the time we got to Nashville, we'd really nailed the retail version of this product, and it was performing really well, and we wanted to get the hands into the right people. And you know, you came past the stall and we started chatting. You know, you told me you were a trader, we said we were, you know, automators, and I think we just kept crossing paths a few times. It's not really you know, it is a bot. A bot's a bit of a misnomer, right? Because it's actually a trading system that we've developed. You know, it's really good at picking those entries, the local bottoms and all that kind of thing. Maybe you can talk a little bit more about that.
They gave me access to the bot. I put 10 grand in, let it chill. Then I put 20 grand in. Then I put 80 grand in. I eventually put a whole Bitcoin when Bitcoin was maybe 70,000, 60,000. So I put 60K in, and now there's 130 grand in there. It's doubled my money. I've watched the bot perform wonderfully. It's a real bot. It's made me 30%, everyone, in under a year. That's a fact, and it gets itself in and out of high leverage trades and knows what it's doing, and it can mitigate when the price goes down. It makes the most money, like you said, when the price dumps. I love when I'm out somewhere, when I'm doing something and I sell out of my trade, and then the bot gets an extra little percentage, and like you said, it's like having a buddy behind you. And I go back to my account and there's 1,800 bucks sitting in there, 2 grand sitting in there, right? I leave it alone for a week or two. I don't even look at it. I go back and there's a couple grand. But I'm telling you right now, once you use it and see how it works, and you see that it's just making you money. Mine, if I had bought it, it would have paid for itself already ×3 in under a year. So
I think you're saying, like, it's really good at making the trades that I would have traded. And I just wanted to add, the cool thing is that, you know, 100% of the profits are yours, and we don't take any custody of funds. Actually, a better way to put it is kind of like mining. You're mining, but you don't need any of the hardware. You're putting your Bitcoin to work completely 100% hands off. You don't have to worry about the emotion. You don't have to worry about all the technicals, the position sizing and all that. It's just going to take care of everything for you. You can look at it like it's like having a second job or a second business. Like, this thing is
it's another stream of income. It's another stream of income.
It's another stream of income. It's that simple. So great. So I've got Bitcoin that's sitting there, and now I'm starting to make money essentially with that Bitcoin.
You know, your Bitcoin could be paying your rent for you instead of sitting there doing nothing. You know what I mean? So
book a call, ask all your questions. We'll do a live demo for you. We'll go into all the ins and outs. We'll show you how it trades. And if it works for you, great. If it doesn't, that's fine as well. Like Sam said, we've built a product that works in one of the most exciting spaces in the world. We don't need to hard sell this product. If you like it, you'll just join. And if you don't, if it's not for you, that's fine as well.
And I just want to work with real products that work, right? We don't, like you said, we don't have to force it on you guys. It works. So if you want it, we got it.
We've also got a support team around the world internationally. We've got some people in Europe. We've got some people in the US.
They waited for me to be really comfortable with this. They never pushed me. They never rushed me. To this day, they're super awesome. Their back-end team. I've had an absolute blast with the bot, man. So I want to say thank you for helping me do something that I never would have done. That was my man Costa, man, with Minotaur Trading Systems.